Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'll show you how to reset the password on itel or Syinix digital televisions. This tutorial will not work on smart Android televisions. So the default password is usually 0000, and if I try that, I can see that the password is false. Please try again. To reset this password, you are going to enter into what is known as itel or Syinix TV Hidden Mode settings. Now, if you go into your setup on your TV, you can see Reset TV setting. Even if you use this method, this will not reset the password. The password will remain as previously saved. So this will not help you. So what we will do is to enter into itel or Syinix TV Hidden Mode settings so that we can reset the password. To do that, take your remote control, press menu followed by 1147. And here we have the itel or Syinix TV factory hidden settings. When you get to this page, the first setting, INIT TV, this means initialize TV. And what you need to do is to press the right navigation button so that you can initialize this TV to the initial settings. I would suggest that you don't interfere with the other settings that you can see here because you can easily damage your TV, thereby needing a brand new motherboard. I have another video titled itel and Syinix TV Hidden Factory Service Menu Password, Tips and Warnings. I would suggest that you watch that video before you continue, or maybe after you watch this video to the end. So let's continue. From this point, you just press the right navigation button to initialize the TV to its factory settings. And you can see resetting. And this will shut down the TV after it's done. After the TV is off, you just turn it on back again. This will wipe your TV clean. Everything from your audio settings, your picture settings, your saved channels, everything, including the password, will be wiped to the original settings. So let's try the default password again. The default password is 0000. And you can see that worked. So that is how you reset the password on itel or Syinix digital televisions. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and goodbye.